Seng Samla Mawkhar ringkat gajinya trelang bat ke NRE Pageant India Private Limited kan penlong ya gajing pensyai pat ba halot udrok bat kilat ban ajinya da ya kibriu ki bakarni ya kani ka program ban pensyai pat ba en penlong ha khat khandai tarik nailar haja phaulai ha community hall jong ka Mawkhar kum shibanta gajing rakhe gajing dap phausan snam jong ka Seng Samla Mawkhar habakran chakilat pathai khobor u president ka Seng Samla Mawkhar u ba Daniel Singai ulong ba gajing jale jong uni udrok ha kani gajala kala nangkiu namar kata ka jing thumu ban penlong ya kani ka program kalong ban a jing yarap eki samla banat na ka jing kerni ni ka jing de pen buat u president ke NRE Pageant India Private Limited uba ransom sutanga ulong bana kalyang ka company kalong ka bakloi banya don ringkat lang ban a ka jing kershan lam hak be de ba kani ka program
help our local peoples, state peoples, to get rid from the drugs. Because when I came here, I met some Kongdora. So we had a talk and he said there are around 4 lakhs of Khasi, the young generations who are consuming drugs. That was an amazing amount, Before, when I was here, there was no consumption of drugs. Maybe alcoholic was there, but drugs, so high rates going up in states. So that's why a concept came in me, and I told Gondora that we can do something for the drug addicted people to get rid from the drugs. Because it's not only spoiling your family members, it's spoiling the communities, the settlements, the states, all over the world, it's spoiling our young generations. It's not only spoiling the young generation, it's spoiling our economics, it's spoiling our future, because our future are young generations. So all of those get addicted to drugs, then our future will be zero, no? So that's why I have a program organized by the National Beauty Director of Beauty Pageants and Youth of Mawkhar, that I'll help the people who are drug addicted to get rid from the drugs. There are processes we can get them out from drugs. It will take a slow and steady. We can not make them drug addicted, fool them. I mean to say that we cannot make them get rid of drug in one day, but one day we will definitely get rid of drugs. So, available in the market, but those which are not available, then I'll tell you. We have a supplement for that. One is ajwain, which you call it. We didn't try that, and that's the main thing the drug addiction needs to chew it to get rid of the drug. Because this herb, it helps you to get memorized in your brain, because all drug addicted, it affects your brain systems, not like alcohol. Alcohol, you get addicted, means you get alcohol and within a few hours you get refreshed again. But drug, it only stays in your brain. It spoils your brain systems. So these herbs, which I tell you, the yuan, it will help to regain your memories. It will take you back to the stage. So this is the one. Ashwagandha, that will help you relax your body, because once you consume your drug, there are lots of things happening in the drug addicted body. You have nerve pain, you have a gastric problem, you have constipations, you have a stroke, you have brain damage, everything is there. So ashwagandha helps you to get your body relaxed and have a good sleep. Then we have a passion fruit flowers. Passion flowers, it's a fruit, passion fruit. Yeah. Before converting into fruits, it's flower. So we use that flower to detox your body. So we have these 3 medicine herbs right now that we can use it for get rid of addicted. But it depends on the person, in what stage he is, and his body weight, his height. Compared to that, and they give the amount of how much he needs to consume, or he or she needs to consume that. That we will talk in a detail wise in my team, I think so.
Kejong pi ngapai kan along ko syai ha kini kejing penso kejong pi nam kan program yang nagaliang jongi ka company NRE Pageant India Private Limited tingiru da kejing Sofia ka Seng tingila ya kren ber Seng Samla namar ba kani ka snam ta ngirake ya kejing dap arpsan snam jong Seng Samla bat nagaliang jong ka company ngiru ngia kloy ban don rangkat lani ban kershan kham tam hak video ba kini ke program kumlaong iba Daniel mentan kini program kam de tak awareness Henry kadairu kumno ban pensyai ya ka mo ya ka solution ban ai ka lat jing ya da hak video ba kini ke bentar kham tam ni tu belak kerni hak jing di Droks lengba kini ki herbals ni i kadai begini ki Samla ki ba angop kini ka jing di bu an deh kadai hi kalong ba ki di ki Samla ki bam rapiang ke kam kejam te kata kadai ka research ke bangi kaling jungi lab te kumba om mapi pada long penpelat yaki te kumno men pen involve yaki hakini ki curricular activity kum menilai kai kum ta terter kata kadon kambha te ndri long ban sim initiative pada long na kaliang jong kaseng Samla ne leng jong dor basnong te kini kan kam khia khniat ngila ban kala ban kam simpor kala ban kam simpor ndri long kam kut atang kata ngin hab iban sim ya ka lat kelenti kumno menirap ya kini ki pelangat kini ki jingdi kerni te kuma pitip hi ka shnong jingi Mawkhar kadai gawi ka shnong ban kong ngatrai hasilong ka ba pendaj yaki CCTV nadu kitu gisnam ki ba lalek ngatrai nadu tu ki mentala de nadu usnam arhajar khatsau khatsan pendaj yak CCTV nomor balai ba ngilap ba kani ka shnong kalong ka shnong ka ba yat ba te nang ta ngilap ru ba kamat kran kadai ki jaka ka ba shrine ba ka ba jiarut ki jingjia tu nadu mo nadok sedong ka jialut huntu telong ngi pade ka limit jongi kam de shu sedu stage mat kran ro kata ka de ka we ka problem ka ba ngatrai di tip hi namar ka jongi ka limit ka de bitang hang te bakut jong ka ni ka snong jongi te nang tu pade mat kran la am de shu te la ngat lang sa ki ki dong de te kata ka pen ba yangi bangin interfere begitu ki perlok jongi ki ba pi lap ka tu sngi mo ka ba mi tv dai ban lek ban ong ban kren ki namar ka tu kam de shu ha po kan ka pu sam jong snong Mawkhar dekat kum kijing pendek ka ba long khadu te kata ka de kijing ka ba ngi lap na ka leng jong snong ndai long la da ka de hi ka ba jia po snong ha telong ya kata na trangin habi ban simti habi ban simkia de wala ka taru kum ong mene ngatrai kanam put ta kata isu kam de isu tangang ni Mawkhar ndai ka de state issue menta kumbaong mene ngatrai dat kumno ta lomsom trai kidon kumba lai lak tam ye trai ki perlok ki jongi belang ngop akan ki jingdi buai te kene kede benta jong iwe piwe kinong song mo ken tho
Ilken yang komentar kini ki drug addicts. I'll just read it more nang ba kan long ru ka jing mentoi ki kan kani kede ka khatin nongwei ka khatin phareng kani ka poem atho nakabenta gitu ki baro ki khna ki Samla mo ki ba ngap thang kani ka jingdi kerni kum ki drugs alcohol bat ki we pan ki jingdi buan kadi ha khti nong we kani ka poem ka kerteng cho kani ka poem klong come and set yourself free from the bondage of drugs, from the shackles of alcohol. Willpower is all that's needed. Come and set yourself free. You are a precious soul. You are here with a purpose. You exist for a reason. Come and set yourself free. You can do it with your heart. You are tenacious, a fighter. Victory awaits you. Bless you.
Makanya keseng Samla nang takada mission kini inisiatif dan kumang ini program mangi i tu kijing jak ba inba to ka video ba pala ya nong sang himama jadi tu kijing di jadi ki jingle jadi tu ki bat nga kat to ka kubor ni iba wala ki be ki ru ni kimnet nang tu kilong ada mana do kata mo bat kinawan ki bot pulit lu kim set lu kamnan su ka jing tiang ki ma blai di at untuk sikiten kim nan su in a state of mind kim su thu ya ka e bikilale takada ka seng Samla ro na hari kupor ni sumba ka ndai tang ka seng Samla ndai ka dor bar snong bat ki bor no ka an hap nya trelang ladang nya trelang kum ko wei ka kenhuan nila man rat bin khong yu ka sna ko ka state ka jong ni pa ka sarkar padang ta ka jing thu ban long ka drug free Meghalaya mo ling ba ka to ka dream project jong ka social welfare department tingi kum tang na ka lang ka seng Samla ro ni kwa ya ka tahi bangin nya trelang matang ka seng Samla nginum la panai Jeng ba jing telang dor basnong jeng ba jing telang baki police department baki district administration baki board jong ka kham tam bak sarkar ni telang kham ni la ban rat ding khong ni ki jing keni jong ni jing di drugs na po ka kari jong ni ma kari jong ni gum om suang ni jura kham tip itau drugs ni tip ka hoi ka kia ka don ring drugs ka menta ni pe ki sistem pa kiu step ba ka jing di drugs baka kiu step ado kata-kata baka ka sungo ka pangnut sai ni kum ki samla ban i baki para samla ki jong ni kingok ngini ki jingdi baka kamle baka pensitong tang ki hindai ka kata ro wat yaka yeng ka sem ka jongki yaka imlang ka sa lang ro yana ta ka ni kum ka seng samla ro ni da ka jing tmu baka jing tie up lang baka company jong i barasom mi kong dorang ye persang ban kum no ban ni tam shu atang ka awareness hindai ban yarap ye ki ro bikin light na ka jingkwa krni jongki ha drugs